In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a submenu in Weebly. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site and open the website where you want to add a submenu. Once you're in the editor, click Pages from the top menu. This is where you can manage your website's pages and navigation. If you don't already have one, create a parent page by clicking the plus button and adding a new standard page. Give it a name such as Services, then click Done. Next, click the plus button again to create another page that will become your subpage. Enter a name such as Consulting and click Done. In the Pages panel, click and hold the subpage, then drag it directly beneath the parent page. Move it slightly to the right until you see it become indented, then release the mouse. This nests the page under the parent page and creates a submenu in your navigation. You can repeat the same process to add more subpages under the same parent, keeping your website's navigation organized and easy for visitors to use. Once you're happy with the menu structure, save your changes and publish your website so the updated navigation appears live. That's how to create a submenu in Weebly. Thanks for watching.